Alright, now that we're a couple videos in, I suppose that introductions are in order. My name is Tyler, and I'm with Nice Custom Goods. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a clamp that can, in a similar way that this is mounted here with a 5/8 rod, we're going to weld one of those to this bottom portion of the clamp, put it in our table, and we're going to have some clamps. As far as I know, what's exciting about this video to me is that nowhere on YouTube could I find anyone that made this, and so let's make it. We want this handle to be up. We're going to chop this off right here. A couple different ways we could do that. Then we're going to make maybe 1 by 2 inch little platforms that will then be welded to the bottom of this and to the bottom of these little plates that we're going to make. We're going to mount these 5/8 cold rolled bar stock. They fit wonderfully in there with a couple thou clearance, which then allows them to lock in rather easily, but slip in and out easily as well. Problems that needs to be solved, and is an easy fix, is that when you weld this joint right here, so this is what we have like this, that's what your end product will be. You want this to be able to sit flush on the table once your piece goes in. So you can't really have a fat weld in here, or it won't lay flush. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in the top and weld it through the top. Alright, so I'm super pleased with how these turned out. I think they look really nice and clean. The ability to just quickly put something under pressure and to get it out of the way, move something over, put another piece in there, slam it down. At the same time, off camera, also made these little tabs that allow you to line up stock. This is just pipe and then solid bar stock that I was welding together, as you can see over here. So you could take something that you want to have lined up and pop it on your line really quickly. This helps line things up. So it's basically a positive stop. 6 of these and 4 of these. So thank you for coming along, and I hope that this is popular, because I think this is something that is super helpful. And like I said, as far as I know, this has not been done anywhere on YouTube anyways, and so I appreciate it. My name's Tyler, and this is Nice Custom Goods. Comment down below if you have any questions or recommendations for the channel. I'd love to follow up with you. Have a nice one. Peace.